Yeah, so the market's crashing. So far in 2022, the stock market is down over 17%. Statistically, this is the worst year we've had since 1939. And today, I just saw Bitcoin drop to under $30,000. That hasn't happened in almost a year. And to be honest, it seems like everybody is panicking. Except for your boy, because listen, today I'm gonna be buying the dip and investing $100,000 of my own money into stocks and crypto. But first, I need to make sure I'm making the right decision. Right now we're here in my neighborhood, the financial district of Miami, and I think we're gonna be able to get some good advice, so let's go. Would you mind being in my video for 1 second? Are you an investor? Do you have any stocks or cryptocurrency?
Sure.
What do you think about the market crash going on right now?
It's one of those things.
If you had 100K today to invest, would you do it today or would you wait for it to drop a little bit more?
Systematic. I take 25%, spread it over 4 months.
Okay. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. But after that, I was getting rejected by literally everybody. Even these guys who definitely have over $1 million in stocks. Like, come on. Yo, bro.
What's up, baby?
You invest in stocks and crypto at all?
Come on. Hell yeah, bro.
That's what y'all do? Could you be in my video for 10 seconds? One question, real quick. So my question is, how you feel about this stock market crash, this crypto crash?
If you have a long-term mentality, long-term game plan, you don't give a fuck about no market corrections, market recessions, nothing.
Today, I'm planning on investing 100K between stocks and crypto. Am I doing a good thing or a bad thing?
What do you think?
Great thing.
You can never time the market, bro. If you have a long-term mentality, like I said, it doesn't matter today, tomorrow. Just get in now.
Who am I here with today?
Anna.
What do you think about the market crash right now?
I'm planning on buying as the market dips more just because I'm holding long term. So I'm hoping the market just rebounds from this and that I can buy low. So
I feel you on that.
Yeah.
Today I'm going to be investing 100K into stocks and crypto, so pray for me, Anna.
Good luck.
All right. We got the Moon Boys over here. Let's see what they have to say. Are you invested in the stock market or crypto market right now?
I am. I'm an options trader and a stock investor.
So what do you think about this situation with a dip right now?
Yo, it's actually crazy, but there is a great transfer of wealth going on. A lot of the big players are losing money, but this gives us, the little small players, the opportunity to build our wealth and create generational wealth. A lot of people think that when the market goes down, you panic sell and you're losing all your money, but it just gives you the opportunity to acquire more shares.
So I just loaded up 100K today in my investment account. You think I did a bad thing or a good thing?
You did a wonderful thing, because in the next year or two, you'll have a 300 to 500% return, I guarantee you.
Hey, to the moon, man. Thank you, bro.
To the moon.
Yeah. It was great to hear what the people had to say, but I think I need to talk to a real expert. Yo, Graham. All right, Graham, so the market's going crazy. It's headed down. If you could give the people a simple explanation of why this is happening, what would you say?
Yeah, well, interest rates are going up, so people believe we're going to be soon entering a recession. There's the concern that businesses overhired because of demand, and now with people kind of on the edge of their seats right now, there's a concern that businesses will begin laying off people, and they have. So people are just freaking out right now. So
Yeah.
That's why.
100%. So today I'm gonna load up around $100,000 into my crypto and stock accounts. You think this is a good or a bad idea? With my current situation, I've been investing every single week, so I wanna add in some more.
Yeah, I don't think it's bad. I would just make sure that you buy in on a regular basis. And honestly, if you could just set it up where like every week you buy a set amount, and you just didn't pay attention for the next 5 years, you close your computer and just let it ride. I have a feeling that would probably be the best. It's not bad. It's probably better long term, but as long as you're in safe, diversified index funds.
Yeah, index funds to the top, man. I've been riding with you on that forever. So yeah.
Nice.
Hey, one last thing for the people, man. What do they got to do?
Oh, they got to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't done that already, it takes you a split second.
Exactly.
You got to show them a really cute picture of like a squirrel or something as a thank you.
Boom. Hey, Graham, thank you, brother. We really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Well, it's finally time. I just deposited $100,000 in my investment account and I'm ready to buy. And the app that I'll be using to buy most of this is called Public, which is actually the sponsor of today's video. Now look, I know you guys never see me do sponsorships, but hear me out for a second. I genuinely believe that Public is one of the best apps out there for investing in stocks and crypto. Public's #1 goal is to help you be a better investor. Not only do they offer thousands of stocks, but they also have over 30 cryptocurrencies that you can easily invest in with just a few clicks. But the best part that makes them truly unique is their community. You can follow along with over 3 million investors, analysts, and creators like your boy. On my profile, you can actually keep up with all the trends that I'm following right now. And there's even a live feed with daily insights from top market experts. And this will allow you to learn by taking action, which is the best way, of course. If you go to public.com/Jordan Welch, you can get a free stock valued anywhere from $3 to $300. When I joined, I got a Tesla stock, so let me know in the comments what you get. Again, shout out to Public. Now let's go invest this bag. Right now on my Public account, I got about $80,000 to work with. So let's start buying some stuff. All right, the first thing I'm gonna be investing in is the Vanguard S&P 500. This is a collection of the top 500 companies in America. Basically, it's a bet on the entire market on if it's gonna go good or bad, and I'm gonna hope that it's gonna go well. So I'm actually gonna invest $10,000 into this first and foremost. There we go. All right, now the next thing I'm gonna be picking up is the Vanguard Total Stock Market. This is a collection of all of the stocks in the US market, all combined into one ETF. The same thing, basically it's a safe investment in the overall market. If the whole market's down, this is down. If the whole market's up, this is up. So another 10,000 into the total ETF. I'm really a big fan of these ETFs because it allows you to diversify your investment without doing that much work. It's pretty much one of the safest ways to invest your money, though it might not be the fastest way to make money. In the long term, you're gonna win 9 times out of 10 with this strategy. The next thing I'm gonna pick up is the ARK ETF. Now, this is great because it allows you to invest in the new innovative companies that are focused on solar, AI, robotics, and these new technologies that are gonna change civilization. As you can see, this thing was at $153 at one point, and now it's down to $39. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 10K into this as well. Consider it an investment in our future. Now I would really like to pick up a Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin is under $30,000. I haven't seen Bitcoin under $30,000 in a long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 30K into Bitcoin right now. That's actually the first full Bitcoin I've ever purchased like that. So, you know, that's pretty exciting. So yeah, I was able to get in at Bitcoin under 30K. Who knows how this will age? Maybe it won't age that well, but I'm pretty happy about that. Let's keep it moving. So I have $20,000 left to play with on this account. And instead of doing ETFs, I'm gonna actually pick a couple individual stocks that I really like. So first up, you're going with my boy Elon. We're going with Tesla. In my main stock portfolio, this is actually my top performing stock. And I just bought a Tesla. So I think it's only right that we load up $5,000 worth of Tesla right now in this public account. Of course, I'm gonna grab some Apple stock. I mean, these guys aren't going anywhere anytime soon, so it's an easy purchase. You already know I gotta show some love to Shopify. Shopify was up to $1,500 and now it's dropped to $300, so that's an easy purchase. I'm riding with Shopify all the way to the end, baby. $5,000, let's go. Till the wheels fall off. And of course, you know, I gotta invest in the ops as well. We going for Amazon. You know, these guys aren't going anywhere anytime soon. If we zoom out, you see that they've dropped pretty significantly as well. So the last $5,000 in this account is gonna go to Mr. Bezos. Let's go. Yeah, that's definitely the fastest I've ever spent that amount of money. But listen, I'm investing into the future. If we zoom out, I really feel like this is a good decision and we'll see how it pans out over the next couple years. Now let me use the rest of this $100,000 budget to buy some crypto. We gotta bring out the big boy for this one. Let's go. First up, we got Ethereum, which is actually at its lowest price since last March. Now, I do think it can go down a lot more from here, but we can never time the market, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get 5 Ethereum right now. So let's switch this over to ETH. Let's put it on 5 and should be good to go. Preview purchase. Boom. $10,000 into ETH. We got 5 ETH right now. Maybe I'll go buy some NFTs or I'll just keep screenshotting them. Who knows? And for the last 10 G's, I'm gonna invest in 2 projects that I really like. The first one is Solana. If you look, this is a great opportunity. By the way, I could be so wrong saying this, but it looks like a good opportunity. It's like the lowest price I've seen in a very long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase $5,000 worth of Solana. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and hold that. And for the last $5,000, I'm gonna be picking up some Cardano. Y'all really thought I was gonna get some of that, man. What kind of show do you really think this is? Come on. Now, for the last $5,000, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and invest in some AVAX. I've been holding AVAX for a while now, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up $5,000 worth of AVAX. Let's go. And there you have it. That is how to successfully spend $100,000 in less than 10 minutes. I'm gonna need y'all to pray for my mental health for real because, yeah. Lastly, to get the most out of this market crash, I actually set up recurring investments so I can average my way in regardless of the market's performance. This is statistically been proven to be the best way to make money with stocks and crypto in the long term. Well, this might be the biggest L I've ever taken, or not. Only time will tell. So subscribe if you want to follow the journey. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.